Okay, this is the...
Here, let me do it from here.
And then just give it to me.
Okay, see, me. I'm pulling this one, and Doris is pulling that one, and Jennifer's just sailing. Okay, and now Doris is gonna record.
Record the action. Oh shit! Okay, we didn't even start yet. What? No. Oh, kind of. I kind of feel the muscles in my thighs. Oh my god! I almost got my finger chopped off.
Okay. Come on, this is second hayride. Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Sorry.
I'm trying to record it.
Okay. I have to hold on like this.
You know what we didn't think of? Jennifer recording.
Oh yeah! Jennifer's not doing anything.
I know, right? Move down, do fun.
Go. I'm ready. Okay, go. You're like lifting me up here.
Because I'm using all my strength.
Let me pull then.
Huh?
Let me pull then. Want me to pull?
Okay.
I like my shoes. Oh. Where the hell are they?
Oh, my muscles hurt, my leg muscles.
Go. Mine's gonna be a wild ass ride. So you guys better hold on tight. I could have just done that.
Go, go,